Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I'm going to be going over the CVS best deals that are starting this Sunday. But before we get started, welcome. My name is Jasmine. You can subscribe to my channel, that way you don't miss of any deals. I'm also including you my site, Excited for Coupons. You can print your coupons there, and I also include those best deals that I share in this video. You will see it on my site as well. In addition, I really want to give a shout out to the person that left the first comment on my last video. My last videos for CVS, and that was Tracy Hiltz. Thank you so much for your comment, for being the first person, and also the first person that leaves a comment on this video. I'm going to give you a shout out on the following video. So let's just get started. This I'm going to show you two different deal ideas for the CoverGirl. I did this deal on Sunday, and this one is for the full spectrum line. Make sure that you do select it on the checkout 51. So what you could do is buy two of these eyeliner for $7.99. Use two coupons from Smart Source 62. Pay $11.98, get 5 ECB for buying two, but then submit your receipt to checkout 51. That way you get back $4 in cash back, making it a final price of $2.98 or just $1.49, since you're getting a cash back for any item that has to do with full spectrum. But if you don't want to get both items and you want to have your final total to be a little less, what you could do is buy two of the eyeliner that I just mentioned, and also an eyebrow for $4.99. Use 3 coupons from Smart Source, deducting $2 for the eye products. And if you have a CRT for 5 off 20 when it comes to CoverGirl, I've seen this CRT deducting 5 when you spend 20 on CoverGirl. And if you purchase those 3 items, you use those 3 coupons that are manufactured and the CRT, which is a coupon you get from the red box machine. You pay $9.97, you get back 5. Submit it to checkout 51, making it 32 cents each. This is a deal idea for General Mills. You're not getting any ECB, but the special is for $1.99. There is a coupon Smart Source 62, they're giving you back $1. Check the CVS app in case. So you will pay $2.98 after you bought 2 of the cereal, and submit it to Saving Star. But before you submit it to Saving Star, make sure that you scan it to make sure that it qualifies. That way it guarantees you that you're going to get back that cash back, making this a final price of $1.98 or just 99 cents for each box. The Creme Shop is, I believe, a French type of not just makeup but also skincare, and this week is buy 10 get 5. And what you could do is buy maybe the cleanser. The cleanser I saw that is for $9.99. There is no coupons, but if you get any CRTs, I did get a CRT last week for the Creme Shop, but if you have a CRT this week, might as well use it, take advantage of it. But if you don't, just pay $9.99. At the end of receipt, you will get 5 ECB for spending 10, making it $4.99 or just kind of like half off for this deal. This one is interesting because the coupon expires on Sunday. On Saturday, so it will have to be, I think, early activation, but everybody's going to be getting an instant coupon. If you're able to do this deal on early activation and you're able to print that instant coupon, then this will be free. What you could do is buy 2 of the ProHealth for $2.99. Use 2 coupons from the P&G or check your CVS app. That way you could just mix and match in case you only have 1 coupon left. And scan your card to make sure you get that instant coupon. You will pay $2.98. You'll get back 3 ECB, making it free. The next deal is also free, is Hallmark. Just buy 3. It just says Hallmark items, so just buy anything that's 99 cents, and just make sure you need to buy 3 so you could get the 3 ECB. So buy 3 of those. If you find 3 items for 99 cents, pay $2.97, but at the end of that receipt you're gonna get 3 ECB, making it free. This is a pretty good deal, and I was able to do this deal so many times when this first started a few years ago that I really have a nice collection of different cards, and all has been free. So this one is pretty easy to do, especially if you're starting in couponing. This one is buy 20 get 10, and this is Herbion vitamins, and it does have to be $20. So this one is for Beat 60 count, and it's for $20.49. Use this coupon from Smart Source May 5th. That will deduct $2. And if you have a CRT that does say deducting $3.50 when you spend 15 or more on vitamins, you can use it. So you have that CRT. So you will pay $14.99, but you get back 10 ECB at the end of that receipt, making it just $4.99. It's a big difference. From $20.49 to $4.99 is a really big savings. This one is Speed Stick. Buy one and get one ECB and the limit of 2, so you could do this up to 2 times. Buy one for $2.49. There's a coupon that we're expecting this Sunday for 50 cents, but check your app. There's some coupons in there that says app only. Select it on your card and it should deduct the 50 cents. I have been able to do this last week, and sometimes I get two of the same coupons. Select both of them and you might be able to get this even free, or you might just get it for just 49 cents after you earn that ECB. So look into your app and see if you have that coupon. L'Oreal, the hair care, buy 15 get 5. So buy 4 for $4 each. That will be $16. Use a coupon because it's a limit of 1, so you're only able to use 1 coupon. That will deduct $4 when you buy 2, and that will be on the smart stores from the insert this Sunday. If you have any CRT that says deducting 3 off 12 on hair care, this will be perfect. You could use it for this deal idea. You will pay 9. You get 5 ECB, making it $1 each. Or if you don't have that CRT, it will be $1.75 each. This one is a pretty nice deal idea. This one is for L'Oreal Cosmetics, and check your Ibotta if you're new to Ibotta. I'm gonna share with you my referral code. You can use my code. I'm also gonna provide it down in the link description box. My link is gonna be there. That way you also get an incentive, and I'll get an incentive as well. So you could do this, the foundation, for $14.99. Go to L'Oreal.com so you could get a coupon deducting 2. You will pay $12.99. You get back 5 ECB. Submit it to Ibotta, and this will be $5.99. So that's a lot of savings for cosmetics. Physicians Formula is buy 10 get 7, and I think the limit is 1, not 6. So just buy the lipstick. These lipsticks are pretty nice for $9.99. And that's how much you will pay if you don't have any CRTs for cosmetics. But at the end of the receipt, you'll get 7 ECB, making it just $2.99 for this item. But if you have that coupon that is no longer available for Physicians Formula, it will be a nice money maker. The next deal is for Schick Hydro Razors for $9.99, and we're expecting coupons this Sunday for $4. And I did get a CRT that it just says you'll deduct $3 on any Schick Hydro Razors. So if you did get a similar CRT, you could use it for this deal, and that way you'll pay $2.99. At the end of the receipt, you'll pay you earn 4 ECB for buying 1 item, making it free, and $1.01 money maker thanks to that CRT. But if you don't have that CRT, it will be $1.99 for this item. The next deal is mix and match. Spend 30 get 10. So this is the best deal idea that I thought I put together, which is buy 1 of the Scott roll. The Scott roll is supposed to be from 9 to 18, and that will be $7.99. And the Scott towels will be $5.49, which the towel rolls, it will be for 6 roll. And the Persil for $5.94. I'm only including 1 of the Persil since the coupon is only a limit of 1. Use 4 of the coupons for the Scott, deducting 50 cents. You can also find some of those coupons in the CVS app. And the $2 for the Persil. That's how much all the coupons you'll be able to use. So after all those coupons, you will pay $26.40, but at the end of that receipt, you're gonna get 10 ECB, and making it $3.28 for each of those items. For soap, it's gonna be buy 2 get 3, and also buy 1 get 1 50% off. Like I mentioned, there's gonna be some good coupons that I will say app only, so make sure you select those so you don't miss out on savings. The coupon is printable in the softsoap.com page, so use those coupons and the one from the app. So you will pay $4.89 depending on the price in your store, and you will get back 3 ECB for buying 2, making it 94 cents for each of those body wash. Also depends if you do able to select 2 from the app, you'll be able to save even more. Tom's of Maine is going to have different items on special. The cheapest one I've seen is the mouthwash, and this one does include an Ibotta offer, giving you back $1.80 for each item that you purchase. It does include mouthwash and toothpaste, and I'm also including you my referral code in case you're new to Ibotta. Buy 2 of those. 1 is going to be 50% off. You pay $9.74, but you get back 2 ECB. Submit it to Ibotta, which you should get back $3.60, making it $2.07. Almay Cosmetics is buy 12 get 4, but I'm trying to reach $15 if you have the CRT deducting 5 off 15. So buy one of the eyeshadow, one of the lipstick, and right there you reach $15. There's some coupons that we're expecting this Sunday, so one is going to deduct 3 and one is going to deduct 2. And use that CRT that you see in the picture. You will pay $4.98, but you get back 4 ECB, making it 49 cents for each item, which is pretty good. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be just $2.99 for each item. These are the best deals that I was able to come up for CVS for this Sunday. I thank you so much for your support, for your comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If they give it a thumbs up, a like, share this video so other ones can see that there's some good deals out there, especially if you're starting. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.